Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, this is the explanation of the new question of the CodeSafe contest that is going on, that is sale. So friends, the question is, there is one person Saif who can project the sale on for the n days, right? So what he can do that on any particular day he can announce that his shop is closing, which will double his sale for that day. But since Saif is a man of his word, if he told the lie, then he won't be able to make the sale for the further days. So what we have to do, we have to maximize the possible total sales. So friends, come, let's understand the approach of this question, how we will approach this question. So friends, suppose the projected sales that he has say is 1 comma 2, right? So there can be maximum, what he can do, what can be the maximum sales, 1 plus 2, right? This could be the maximum sale 3. 1 plus in the when his projected sale is 2, suppose he said that he today will be today he, what in the question it is mentioned that his shop is closing. He said that his shop is closing, so he will make double sale on that day, okay? So to his total sales will be 5, right? Now and if suppose if he said on the first day itself that his shop is closing, to then his total sale will be 2 into 1 on that maximum, and maximum the sale will be 2, because on the next day he won't be able to make sale, right? So friend, what we will do, so suppose 1 2 3 4, this is the max sale. So friend, for any ith day, how we will approach any ith day, what are the maximum cases that he could have, right? First case is previous. Let's take previous sum is the sum of all the sales since previous sum. Suppose previous sum is x, right? So one combination will be x plus array of I. This will be the one combination that this can be the maximum sale, right? Another combination will be x plus 2 into array of I. Suppose on that say if he said that his shop is closing, so this is the maximum, this is one of the maximum sale that he could got. Another one is, what could be the another one would be 2 into array of I, right? Sorry, no, 2, another one would be what, that uh, means if he had said on that previous day only that that his sale will be closing, right? So the previous answer would only be the current answer. So friend, let's understand again. If you have not got, suppose this is 1 2 2, so we will store previous sum is equal to first array of 0 or 2 into array of 0, right? So what would be the previous sum? This would be the answer 2. Answer would be 2, right? Then for any particular day, ith day, we will find out math.max. Math.max in the ith day, what could be the possible answers? The possible answers, friends, could be, first of all, array of I plus previous sum. This would be 1 plus 2 3, right? Or array of I plus 2 into previous sum, right? Also we will check the previous answer this value plus, suppose this value is x, answer equal to math.max x comma answer, right? So these three values we will check for the maximum, and for every ith element we will. Now let's check the coding question, how I have solved this question, which is accepted. So friend, I have stored one sum variable array of 0. In answer, what I have did, array of 0 2 into array of 0, this is the answer I have stored. For I equal to 1 to n, I have run. In the previous sum, I have stored the from I equal to means previous sum of all the elements. In an answer, what I am doing, math.max previous sum plus array of I, and math.max answer and previous sum plus 2 into array of I. Also answer would be math.max answer comma 2 into array of I, and then I am doing adding that day sale also, sum equal to sum plus array of I. So friend, this is accepted. So friends, let's meet in the another question, and friends, please subscribe the channel. Your subscription will give me motivation for making further videos. So please, friends, let's make another videos. Bye.